I'm in Clarksdale, Mississippi, birthplace of the blues, where legend has it just down the road, Robert Johnson sold his soul to the devil for his incredible talent. Well, I'm going to learn about the blues and the place where it all began. I'm going to check out some of these local juke joints. Come on! I'm here at the Delta Blues Museum in Clarksdale, Mississippi. It's located downtown in their historic train depot, and it was founded in 1979 and is the largest blues museum in the world. And let me tell you, I am surrounded by cool instruments, cool clothes, cool art, old photographs. I'm telling you, this place is cool. Here is just one of the authentic exhibits here at the Delta Blues Museum. This is the actual cabin where Muddy Waters lived when Alan Lomax first recorded it. This place is fabulous, and I am officially inspired. I'm going to go get me some live blues. Now that we've explored the history of the blues in Clarksdale, Mississippi, we come across the street to Ground Zero Blues Club, some of the best blues music on the planet. In 2001, local businessman Bill Luckett and actor Morgan Freeman started this club. And not only do they serve up some of the best soul food and the best blues, you can even rent an apartment above the club. But if you do, you better be ready to boogie. When I rolled into Clarksdale, Mississippi, I didn't have the blues, but I do now. And that's all right with me. See you next time. Brought to you by U.S. Gulf Coast States Geotourism.